Okay, so let's take a look at how to use divider widget in Elementor. So first thing, make sure to log into WordPress, then choose the page where you wish to edit. Okay, and let me edit the page in Elementor. And in left hand side of this page builder, you will find basic widgets. So choose the divider widget, and before dropping on it, basically we have to create something worth dividing. So let's go with image. Let's choose 2 images, choose medium range size. Okay, now what we will do, we will go back to, okay, now here we will also drop one more image. Okay, now here let's choose another image. Okay, now here you wish to add more space. What we will do is we will simply use the divider and add in between that. Okay, as you can see, this would add some space with, okay, a divider in solid style. Okay, here you can choose pattern like arrow as well, but that may not look good. Okay, so let's go with something simple. Okay, so let's go with dotted. Okay, as you can see, extremely small. You can even edit this, set the alignment. Okay, and you can color it as well. Okay, so let's choose something green or red. Okay, so this is red now, and I wish to increase its weight. Okay, the more the weight, the more visible the dots. Okay, so if you have Pinterest type of blog, then this type of divider would look good in between images. Okay, so you get the idea how to use divider block or divider widget from Elementor in your WordPress page.